In this video, we'll talk about Python dictionaries. Dictionaries are like hash table, or you can say it is a key value pair of Python object. Let's see how to write dictionary in Python. Just like always, we'll take a variable I, and here for list we use square bracket, for tuples we use parenthesis, for this we use flower braces or curly braces. Okay. Now let me print this. I save, run it. Here you can see the curly braces. Now let's check the type. Type of this I save. You can see it belongs to dictionary. So I is dictionary object. Fine. So how do I add values to it? Not just values, you cannot add only values, you should add key to access it. Okay. The key ideally, let me write down here. So key ideally, okay, should be number or string. Okay. Value should be any Python object. Okay. Let's see one by one. So now I'm adding a key that is string A for apple, apple, apple. Okay. And I'll take one more key B, and its respective value is ball, ball, ball. Okay. Now, so I have a pair, one pair here and second pair here, and both should be separated by comma. Okay. Let's print this. You can see the dictionary is ready. So A is key, holds a value apple, and B is a key, holds a value ball. Okay, this is pretty interesting, right? Now let's move ahead. I will use one, okay, colon. Here I'll say this is one. Will this work? Let's see. Run. Of course, yes, it does work. Okay, so let's go ahead further. I will add list one, okay, and I'll take a list, okay, say hello, and okay, save it, run it. And here we have a error saying, so name list1 is not defined. So list1 is neither a string or it is not a variable. It is nowhere declared from line 1 till line number 5, right? So we must put that as a key. Run it again. Here you can see now dictionary can also hold list. Not just list, it can also hold tuples. Tuple, and here 100 10J, save it, run it. It also holds tuple. Also it can hold a dictionary. So within the dictionary I can have a dictionary as well, but before that I should have a key to it, right? So I'll say inner dictionary. Okay, and here the value is the dictionary itself. Here I'll simply say one of 1 means 100 and 2 means 200. Okay, this is internal dictionary, inner dictionary. Okay, I'll make this string and comma, save it and run it. Here you can see we have this key value pair. Okay, this is a number inserted, this is list inserted, tuple inserted, and inner dictionary is also inserted. This is the speciality of dictionary. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.